The following motorcycle recall report is filed with the NHTSA report receipt date September 29, 2017. NHTSA Campaign Number 17T016000. Components: tires. Potential number of units affected 245. Manufacturer: Maxtrack Tire Co. Inc. The recall: Maxtrack Tire Co. Inc. Maxtrack is recalling certain Avon Viper Stryke tires, sizes 12070R14, 12070R15, 16060R14, and 16060R15, manufactured from January 4, 2015 through April 8, 2017. A bulge may develop in the tread or the tread may separate from the tire. As such, these vehicles fail to comply with the requirements of Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard FMVSS number 119, new pneumatic tire is other than passenger cars. What could happen? A bulge in the tread or a tread separation can cause a loss of vehicle control, increasing the risk of a crash. The fix: Maxtrack will notify owners, and dealers will replace the tires, free of charge. The manufacturer has not yet provided a notification schedule. Owners may contact Avon Motorcycle Tires North America at 18,006,427,470 extension 3159. Maxtrack's number for this recall is 169. More recall information: owners may also contact the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration Vehicle Safety Hotline at 18,883,274,236 TTY 18,004,249,153, or go to safercar.gov. Click here for more recall news.